Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can receive USD or Euro in your Payoneer account. So let's start by going to your Payoneer, and then in here, as you can see, I have the USD and the Euro. So what you're gonna do is go ahead and open the Payoneer Support Center. So from here, you just have to click on the Send Payments or the Withdraw to Bank. And then once you click on that one, you will be redirected here. So you just go ahead and tap on Receiving Accounts. So you just have to click on this one. And then from here, you just click on this, I want to apply for a receiving account in another currency. So here are the steps on how you can apply for a receiving account in another currency. So you'll have here the step-by-step guide. And then once you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you will see this Contact Us. So you just have to click on that one. And then from here, you can contact them through send message, live chat, or you can also call them. So in here, you just have to fill in the form to describe your issue. So this is the email, and then from here, you just have to put here your concern. So once you click on here, you just have to tap on this, I want to apply for a receiving account in another currency. You click on that one, and in here, you just have to paste here or type here your concern. So you can also copy this one. I want to be able to create a US receiving account, but I am currently not able to. Kindly assist. So once you're done, you can also attach a file, but this is just optional, but you can also attach it in here. And then once you scroll all the way down, you just have to tap on this checkbox right here to confirm that you're not a robot. And then once done is submit. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!